first method of realization account was that in realization account, what we do is debit side we transfer all the assets, credit side we transfer all the liabilities and provision together. Okay, and here in this method we are assuming that all the assets are sold at one time. हम ऐसे assume करते हैं कि सारे asset एक साथ ही हमने बेच दिया and liability भी हमने एक साथ pay off कर दी. But in reality, if someone closes the business, क्या सब कुछ एक साथ बेच जाता है? It takes time. It is because everyone wants to get the best rate of the assets. Okay, तो जैसे जैसे बाहर जाएंगे negotiation होगा और फिर asset का sale होगा. तो instead of closing all the asset account from the balance sheet and transferring it to realization account, what we do is we make various asset account, land and building, say plant and machinery, then say furniture and fixtures, okay, liabilities account, say A account, our creditor, okay, B account. So what we are doing is basically we are assuming, we are not assuming that all the assets are sold at one time. What we are doing is we are assuming that assets are sold in different times. So it will not be fair कि सबको close करके realization में डाल दो. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will make separate account for every asset and every liability. You understood this? Now, since you have asset, you have a balance. Say for example, balance of land and building is 1 lakh. Balance of plant and machinery is 50,000. Balance of furniture and fixture is say 70,000. Okay? Now, we are assuming that everything will be sold one after other. So, say for example, land and building is sold. What entry we will pass is cash comes in. We have a balance of land and building, land and building goes out. Say for example, we sold this at 1,50,000. 1,50,000 आ गया. Now, profit हुआ या loss? This profit will be transferred to realization account. 50,000. So in realization account, I'll make it over here. This is first method. In second method, realization account, we'll write over here on the credit side, by land and building 50,000. Understood this? The net effect is going to remain the same. But जैसे जैसे asset बिकेगा, तब हम उसको close करेंगे, and the increase or decrease or the gain or the loss will be transferred to realization account. Very similar to revaluation account. Yeah, where revaluation account, what we used to do is all increase or decrease. Similarly, plant and machinery. I sold for say 30,000. So buy cash 30,000. So difference is 20,000 by realization account 20,000. Over here it will be to plant and machinery account. You understood the difference between both the methods? Now, we will do one illustration to make you understand exactly how it works. In exam, a theory question, the difference between first method of realization account and second method of realization account is very important. It had come in past syllabus exams so many times. Okay? You understood the difference between both. Why we go for this is, here we are assuming कि assets और liabilities एक साथ settle होता नहीं है, realize होता नहीं है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will open every account. Got it? अब बना लो format. Page number 295. Illustration 3. Janvi, Yesha and Jwalit are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. The firm was dissolved on 31/3/2016. On On that date, firm has the following status: balance sheet, capital, sundry liabilities, sundry asset, cash balance. 1,58,000 realized from sundry asset, liabilities paid at 10% discount. Firm has paid government taxes of last 2 years of 3,000. This was not recorded in the books. Dissolution expense incurred 2,000. Prepare realization account under second method. Now, there is a note. This second method of realization account is not expected for exam. This is given for information. So, ऐसा expected तो वैसे भी full-fledged subs नहीं है. Okay, but if you do this, you will be in a better position to write the theory. That's why we are doing it now. Take कर लो sundry liabilities, sundry asset. Let's start. Capital. Buy balance bought forward. $50,000, $30,000, $20,000. Sundry liabilities. कौन सी साइड बैलेंस आएगा इसका? क्रेडिट साइड. बाय बैलेंस बॉट फॉरवर्ड 50,000. Sundry asset debit side to balance bought forward. Cash balance 2,000. That's it. Okay. Let's start one by one. Asset realized 1,58,000. So what's the entry? What comes in? Cash comes in and asset goes out. So buy cash account 1,58,000. Cash account second effect. 2. Sundry asset account. Liability. Okay. Now let's close and then only proceed. 1,48,000 and 1,58,000. 10,000 to realization account. Balancing figure. 10,000. By sundry asset account. 10,000. Next, liabilities is paid at 10% discount. So 2 cash, 45,000. By liabilities, 45,000. To realization account. 5,000. By liabilities, 5,000. Firm has paid government taxes of last 2 years of 3,000. कहाँ पे आएगा ये? Realization to cash. Government taxes 3,000. साथ में इफेक्ट देंगे. And dissolution expense incurred 2,000. Dissolution expense 5,000. By realization account. Okay, start closing it. Find profit or loss. 10,000 profit. Partners capital account. 5:3:2. Transfer it. By realization account. All accounts are closed except for cash and partners capital. Balance it to cash and buy 55,000, 33,000, 22,000, 1,60,000. You understood the difference between both?